Muscle and Mowers Lawn Care.
What's good, everybody? Rashad here, Muscle and Mowers Lawn Care. Checking in on this beautiful Tuesday in Hampton, Virginia. Me and my guy just got haircuts. Say what's up to YouTube, Makai.
Hi.
Real quick, just wanted to say thank you to all of the new subscribers to the channel, all the new followers on Instagram, and give a huge shout out to my boy Johnny, Blades of Grass Lawn Care, for featuring us on his YouTube channel. If any of you aren't subscribed to his YouTube channel or following him on Instagram, definitely check him out. I have some footage of a mulch job that I just completed that I'm going to put at the end of this, so check it out. Enjoy. Guys, so what we have here is a trampoline cover that is now used as a tarp. Trampoline cover that I use as a tarp. One of my landscaping buddies put me on to these a while back, and they work like a charm. Right now, I just completed the mulch job. Let's take a look at what we got. Nice and smooth.
Thanks for watching our video.